Hi, my name is Ryan Hefner, and today we are going to assemble an Equilibar disposable SDO regulator. To begin, this is the disposable piece, and this is the non-disposable body cradle piece. The non-disposable body cradle will house the disposable unit each time you want to use the regulator. On the bottom of the cradle is a flow directional sticker. It's important that the outlet of the regulator align with the directional flow sticker. The disposable regulator has two sides, a top and a bottom. The top is defined by the orifice plate. The inlet specifically has a large cluster of inlet orifices, and the outlet port will be defined by a larger dispersed field of orifices. The bottom of the regulator will have a negative empty cavity. To assemble the unit, take your cradle piece and press the disposable regulator in the cradle, keeping in mind the inlet and outlet flow direction. Next, take an EPDM gasket and place it on the top of the regulator. The EPDM gasket will have a self-recessing feature that will align it properly. Next, take the Equilibar reference cap. The top of the reference cap, which will have a threaded port, should face upward. The bottom will have a crush pad. Place the crush pad side into the regulator, and again, this has a self-aligning features, so there's no specific orientation required. Finally, take a standard 4-inch tri-clamp and assemble the body and the cradle together. Ensure that the tri-clamp is hand tight, and this completes the assembly.